Hey loves, I'm Naturally Curly and welcome to my channel. And oh my god, y'all, I am a ginger. Even though I am thinking about going sandy brown, I don't know when I'm going to do it. It might be this month. I have a lot going on as far as work-wise, so things been looking good for your girl. So in this video, I have partnered with Style Factor, and I'll be showing you how I use their new products. One of their products I'll be starting with is their all-in-one shampoo and conditioner. This is an all-in-one product. Pretty much it has aloe vera in it. It has coconut. It is a really good shampoo and conditioner. So I'm going to go ahead and lather my hair up. This product had my hair feeling really good, which is really hard to find a really good shampoo and conditioner when you have color treated hair because everything can make your hair feel so dry. So this was such a good product to have. I really love how my hair felt. So I'm going to go ahead and just shampoo my hair and just get all of that good all up in there. You know, I love a good head scratch. So then the next part of this video, I'm going to also use their Biotion hair scalp oil. And I'm going to use that all over, and I'm going to use that as a deep conditioning treatment. So pretty much I'm going to massage it into my scalp, and then I'm going to put it all over my head. And then I'm going to sit under the dryer for about 10 minutes. I love using heat when I do hot oil treatments. They're very good. The heat gets allows the product to really get in there and melt into your hair. So yes, girl. But yeah, just to try to catch y'all up. Life's been good. How are y'all doing? I miss y'all. I'm also going to be focusing on my roots because your girl is getting older. Y'all know I'm in 34, but the more I pull back my hair, you know, the older you get, your hair follicles aren't as strong as they used to be, and I've been noticing it's becoming a little baldy in certain parts. It's just too much ponytails. So that biotin oil is going to really help with growing those parts back. I'm going to use their leave-in conditioner. It's a very good hydrating leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going to use their foam wrap to also as my styler. Now they do have other products in the collection, but you know my hair loves a good foam wrap. So anytime a brand sends me a foam wrap, I'm going to use that over everything. That's just how I am, girl. So just starting at the scalp, and then I'm just going to keep handing one strand all over the other two and continue to go down. And that's pretty much how I do my 3-strand twist from the scalp. Now, I understand that this can be a little bit intimidating at first because over the years, if you've watched me for a long time, you know I always start off with a braid and then I go into my 3-strand twist. But honestly, I just woke up one morning and it finally clicked after 3 or 4 years of doing a 3-strand twist. It like really clicked to where it was effortless. It used to be something that just kind of took a lot more concentration, but now at this point, your girl is just nailing it, okay? So I'm going to get halfway down, and then I'm going to use a pink perm rod, which is a very small perm rod. There's no size measurements. It's just one particular size, and that's one particular color. And the pink ones, and it's small, and that's it. You can get these from anywhere. So I'm going to use their Edge Booster. You're probably mostly familiar with this product because a lot of braiders do use this, as well as it's really just one of the best edge controls that I've come across. Like my hair stays and I don't have to keep reapplying it. So yes, I'm just showing you another 3-strand twist on how I do it, just because, you know, I feel like the more you see it, the better you get. I'm using my silver clips at the root because I'm going to sit on the dryer, and my clips are going to just allow me to get some length retention and reduce the shrinkage that I'm going to get. And I sat on the dryer for about an hour and like 10 minutes. It wasn't long. I got a new dryer. So again, some good things has been happening. I've just been doing some career changes. Um, I'm just really happy about how things have been progressing for myself in my life. You know, I'm not as active on here as I used to be. I'm trying to become more active, but having to move. My divorce is finally being finalized, so it's just a lot going on that y'all know has just happened throughout the years to the point that now I'm just finally I'm in a good place. That's what I can say. But yeah, so yeah, that's really it. You know, so I'm really hoping y'all are doing good. I miss some of y'all, but y'all, most of you know I do post a lot more on Instagram because reels are just quicker for me to do versus a YouTube video. So I'll try to get back more to posting on YouTube when I do get a chance. But I know Instagram, if you want to stay connected with me too and you miss me and you just want to, you can actually hit me up and ask me questions. My Instagram is still open. I'm still very much active on there as well. So yeah, so now I'm just going to take my hair down, and do y'all see that shine? Oh my God. My hair looks so good. I've also been focusing on trying this, even though, you know, I color my hair, I did have some heat damage. I have been doing a really good job at getting that back together. So my twists are starting to look better. My hair is like, you can always tell when your hair starting to look, it's starting to get back healthier because your twist styles last longer. Your hair looks a lot healthier. You know, your hair holds product well. So that's always a really good sign that your hair is getting healthy. And for me, my hair is just doing a lot better than it used to do. So I'm going to go ahead and pick my hair. I'm using a metal pick because you know how I feel about a metal pick. When I snag your hair, all you got to do is add a little bit of the oil. I use a little bit of the scalp oil on the metal part, and I just pick my hair out. Now again, what I was saying about the edge control, once I apply this, I don't reapply. All I do is add a little bit of water each day and then put it back in place. Because I normally wash my hair, now that it's hot outside, probably I wash it once a week. Even with the color, I wash my hair in cold water or lukewarm water, and because it's hot. Ooh, but this style lasted me 4 days. I love how these products felt on my hair. My hair is really feeling good. I'm always happy when I get a product line I can really work with, and the company sends me a full line so I can really play around with the products and pick my favorite. So I just want to thank Style Factor for partnering with me on this campaign, and I hope y'all try the products and you love them just as much as I did. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until the next one. Bye.